refashioned Feathersvillas. See the motorboards that are there now. They have the Ferris wheel, they have the swings, they have the place with the little porch. And there is the mangrove tree in the background, along the river and the sky, the eastern sky. This is seen through my window of the kitchen. There you see the mountain is be there. As they go by, because other varieties come. Bluebirds, yellow birds, call them plantain birds, kiskadee, blackbirds, red-head birds, all sorts of birds. They come at different times of the day. And I got the pigeons too. They mostly is on the wall. The eastern sky. It's morning, Friday morning, 9th February 2025. So peaceful here, and in the world got a lot of turmoil going on. If we always could find some peace where we are, like this, to relax with nature. There we do have a crowd. Feathersvillas and planting work with Kayana. There are grey birds, brown birds, above those doves, those ground doves. There's some strange sound sometimes. Somebody is a group of the redhead ones, then another group of the other ones. Look, see Feathersvillas going around there in the right corner. Look at he's going around the Feathersvillas. They have the horizon swings and hangouts. I take a zoom out view so you can see the full scape of Feathersvillas. Take some work to maintain this thing. Feed every day. Wash away. Clean. Mix the feed for them. And mix your seeds and other things with rice. I sit outside in my hammock, I look at them from another angle. But this is from inside the house to the kitchen window. Okay, I have enough time, make it too long. Bye now.